I finally built a staging wall for Scottified Furniture, and here's how we did it. Our first stop was Lowe's, where we picked up two 4x8 foot beaded MDF wall panels, an 8-foot baseboard, and some liquid nails. Once we got back to the shop, we cleared the walls and removed some hardware I had been using to hang other things. And of course, Montana, well, he was there supervising the entire project. Keeping in mind this is also where we park our cars, we made sure to stand both panels against the wall to make sure we liked their placement. Once we had our placement figured out, we then removed the panels. This way Julian could start applying the liquid nail directly to the concrete wall. We then positioned the first panel and pressed it firmly into place. Now, for those of you that are wondering, yes, you can use anchors and screws for something like this, but since we're working with our concrete wall, we found liquid nails made this project so much easier. And here we are now with panel 2, just repeating the process. Once both panels were up, we ran white caulk down the center seam to give everything a cleaner, more finished look. Once we finished that, we then used liquid nails again to attach the baseboard. However, we still had one more issue I wanted to solve. Remember, this is still my working furniture shop, and I knew this nice white wall wasn't going to stay nice for very long if I didn't take care of it. The solution? We installed a ceiling track that lets me pull a protective tarp across the entire staging area whenever I'm sanding, painting, or working. When it's time to photograph or video a finished piece, I just pull the tarp back and there's my staging wall. And here it is, a dedicated spot to photograph and film my furniture transformations, and the whole project took us less than 2 hours. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to stage furniture. So, what do you think? Was this upgrade worth it? I know I think so. But leave a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for following Scottified Furniture.